हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज हम बात करेंगे एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर कैट एग्जामिनेशन 2020। I have seen many people, many students struggle to find which college is better for them and what is the exact eligibility criteria for these colleges, and especially non-engineering students। इनका क्या होता है कि ये दे थिंक कि कैट एग्जामिनेशन इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स को एक एज दे देता है, क्योंकि वो लोग कुछ फील्ड में इस तरीके में ज़्यादा अच्छा परफॉर्म कर देते हैं, बट ऐसा नहीं है। एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड्स। ठीक है, तो आप इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखिए, आपको पता चल जाएगा, स्पेशली इफ यू आर फ्रॉम आर्ट्स, ह्यूमैनिटेरियन और किसी और ब्रांच से है, नॉन इंजीनियरिंग ब्रांच से है, तो प्लीज वॉच दिस वीडियो। you'll have clarity whether you should go for CAT examination and how important it is for you to know about this eligibility of different colleges as well, जहाँ पे आपको leverage मिलता है आपके नॉन इंजीनियरिंग होने से। So stay tuned till the last of this video.
Also, we are going to talk about the Unacademy, which is one of the e-learning platform. It is one of the India's leading e-learning platform. तो हम इसके बारे में बात करेंगे कि what they are doing for the CAT preparation of 2020. You will see many features what they are offering right now. Also, हमारा एक कोड है यहाँ पे, आप जो स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं, इसको आप यूज करके उनका 10% डिस्काउंट आप ले सकते हैं. This is exclusively for our channel and our subscribers. So please go ahead and avail this offer. So let's get started about the CAT exam eligibility criteria for 2020. तो पहला तो है कि आप बैचलर डिग्री आपकी कंप्लीट होनी चाहिए 50% के 50% से। ये है ओबीसी और जनरल स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। ऑल्सो it is 45% for SC, ST and PWD candidates. So this is just because of the reservation thing. So the next one is your degree should be at least of 3 years. This is you may be thinking why I am mentioning this 3 years, because earlier there used to be few degrees which had 2 years of completion. So कुछ colleges इसको allow करते हैं CAT examination के बाद भी students को admission देने के लिए, but IIMs they do not allow 2 years of degree, but that 2 years degree has to be approved by the proper authorities of educational boards. तो नेक्स्ट वन इज द फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट्स जो है उनके रिगार्डिंग है ये। तो उनका जो है बैचलर्स डिग्री का जो टोटल रिक्वायर्ड परसेंटेज है, इट गोज सेम एज जनरल फॉर 50, जनरल एंड ओबीसी 50%, एंड फॉर एससी एसटी एंड पीडब्ल्यूडी कैंडिडेट्स इट्स 45%. So this is the last one, which maybe most of the people don't know about it. I mean, they are confused about it, that there could be any age limit or something, but there is no such age limit. You can appear for CAT examination whenever you want. So the next one is what are the reservations for the CAT examination and the seats of IIMs and other business schools. So the SC students, it's a 15%. So for the ST students is 7.5%, and other OBC students is 27%. For person with the disability, it's 5%. So this is basically the distribution what they are offering right now. So the next one is CAT eligibility for the final year students. What are the documents that you will be requiring, which is very important right now here. It is considered that the 60% of the students that appear for the CAT examination are studying in the final year. So this is something you should listen carefully. That first document is required from. It is a document with the signature of your principal, HOD, or registrar or director of the institute, verifying that you have 50%, at least 50% of the marks till now in your course. So that is a very important document. The next one is once you get into some B school, you get an admission into a business school, and then you have to get your graduation certificate to continue in that particular institute. If you fail to do that, then your candidature will be debarred. I have seen people that they get kicked out of the college just because they have failed to show their original certificates. Maybe it's mark sheets or your caste related certificate, anything. It is taken very seriously. You may be thinking that you'll get away with some sort of excuse, but it's not the same case. They will kick you out of the college. Also, if you're a non-engineer student, then there is a very good chance of you getting into top IIMs and IITs. So there is a 30% more chance of you getting into these colleges as compared to OBC and general students. This is because most of the people who apply, which is considered to be 70 to 80% of the people who apply to CAT examination is having the background of engineering. So and the IIMs and the IITs and other top B schools, they are trying very hard to find a good balance and diversity into the classroom. So that's why you get less competition in your particular domain if you're a non-engineer. Plus, as the IIMs are changing their policies every year to have a good diversity, there's a fair chance that you will get into that particular B school. We are going to speak a little bit about an academy and how they are offering their CAT preparation series. As you can see today, I'm going to talk about their live now classes and what other test series they have and what are trending uh, classes currently on their platform, and who are the featured educators. And this is very important because people from different background, and they are the experts from chosen from all over the India. Okay, so this is an online platform, so the consistency of educators is very a unique property they have. So we'll see who are the featured educators from whom you can learn about different tips techniques. So first of all, right now they are having two live classes. I'm streaming in the night, so still they have two live classes going on. So you can see that there is a very good flexibility in the timing of teaching methodologies. Also, there are few test series, Catalyst on Academy Cat, free mock test on Cat. You can take this free mock test and other two test series to check uh, your preparation level. Also, there are few episodes training about this is more about the Hindi. I mean, this section tells you in which language this lecture was conducted in. The Unacademy is a multilingual platform, so you get uh, educators from different languages, and you if you think that you're not good in English and you can't understand the educator, so no need to worry about it. You can go to Unacademy and see different your same lectures in different languages. So these are the four educators, featured educators. As you can see their description here, few of them have scored really well previously in this uh, CAT examination. Also, they have pretty good experience in the industry, like 16 years of industry experience, teaching experience, 22 years of teaching experience. So you can see that how good they are in their particular domain. So you can go to Unacademy and subscribe to their monthly subscription for your CAT preparation. You don't have to pay for full course. It's just 875 rupees per month. Also, you can avail 10% of discount. The code is down below in the description. Go check it out. If you have any CAT related queries or questions, please mention in the comment box below. We'll definitely comment on that and we'll definitely try to solve it. So that's it for today's topic, guys. Stay tuned for more CAT preparation videos and subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell icon to get notification from our channel. Thank you so much.